So here I am on the permit breeze 40 from Poole to Swanage on board 1148 HW09 BCK, which is an ex-Under Vectis Scania OMNICity. So 1 week tomorrow is the Morebus rally, so don't forget to tune into my YouTube channel for that, as I'm probably going to be a special guest on South Coast Bus Adventures and possibly on the Morebuses if Aaron Harrison allows me to be part of his series. Swanage bus station, a line tier for town centre and Swanage Railway. Also change here for connections to Permit Breeze 50 to Sandbanks and Bournemouth. Please make sure you have all your items with you before leaving the bus. So we've got 1703 on a 1703 on a 40, 736 on an X54.